Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome to Forex Pro. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Let's talk Tradingview. Tradingview is like a super cool online hangout for anyone who loves the stock market or Forex market. It's got charts, it's got tools, and it's got tons of other traders to connect with. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, Tradingview has something for everyone. Think of Tradingview as your one-stop shop for all things trading. You can use it to track stocks, currency pairs, metals, commodities, crypto, analyze charts, and even make trades. It's like having a whole trading desk right at your fingertips. The best part? Tradingview is super user-friendly, even if you're new to the game. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in and explore the amazing world of Tradingview together. Get ready to learn, connect, and trade like a pro. Alright, let's get you set up on Tradingview. It's as easy as pie. Just head over to the Tradingview website and click on the Join Now button. You'll need to create a username and password, and then you're good to go. You can even sign up using your Google or Facebook account if you want to keep things super simple. Once you're all signed up, you can start exploring right away. Tradingview has a free plan that gives you access to a ton of features, so you can start charting and analyzing without spending a dime. If you're looking for even more bells and whistles, they also have paid plans with additional features and data. But for now, let's stick with the free plan and see what Tradingview is all about. Trust me, you'll be impressed with how much you can do with just the basic features. Ready to start charting your path to trading success? Let's go. Okay, so you're logged into Tradingview. Now what? Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it looks. The Tradingview interface is actually super intuitive and easy to navigate. Let's break it down. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar where you can look up any stock, index, or cryptocurrency you can think of. Just type in the ticker symbol and hit enter. Below the search bar, you'll find a bunch of tabs that take you to different sections of the platform, like charts, ideas, markets, and more. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar with even more options. This is where you can access your watch lists, indicators, drawing tools, and other handy features. And in the center of the screen, of course, is where the magic happens. The charts. Don't be afraid to click around and explore. The best way to learn Tradingview is to just dive in and start playing around with it. You'll be surprised at how quickly you get the hang of it. Alright, let's talk charts. Charts are the heart and soul of Tradingview, and for good reason. They give you a visual representation of price movements over time, which helps you identify trends, patterns, and potential trading opportunities. Creating a chart on Tradingview is a piece of cake. Just type in the ticker symbol of the asset you want to chart in the search bar at the top of the screen. Boom! Tradingview will automatically generate a basic candlestick chart for you. But the fun doesn't stop there. You can customize your charts to your heart's content. Want to see the chart in a different time frame? No problem. Just use the buttons at the top of the chart to switch between different time frames, like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, and more. You can also change the chart type if you prefer a different visual style. Tradingview offers a variety of chart types, including line charts, bar charts, Heikin Ashi charts, and more. Section 5. Tools of the trade. Drawing tools and indicators. Now that you know how to create and customize charts, let's talk about some of the tools that can take your analysis to the next level. Drawing tools and indicators. Drawing tools allow you to mark up your charts with lines, shapes, and other annotations to help you identify trends, support and resistance levels, and potential trading setups. To access the drawing tools, simply click on the pencil icon located above the top left corner of the chart. You'll see a whole bunch of different drawing tools to choose from, including trend lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines, rectangles, circles, and more. Just select the tool you want to use and click and drag on the chart to draw it. Indicators are another powerful tool that can help you make more informed trading decisions. Indicators are mathematical calculations based on price and/or volume data that can help you identify trends, momentum, volatility, and other important market conditions. Tradingview offers a vast library of indicators to choose from, including popular ones like moving averages, MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, and many more. Section 6. Setting your sights, using alerts for market movements. Don't you hate it when you miss a big market move because you weren't glued to your screen? Well, say goodbye to FOMO, fear of missing out, with TradingView's awesome alert feature. Alerts are like your personal trading assistants, notifying you when certain market conditions are met, so you never miss a beat. Setting up an alert on TradingView is super easy. First, navigate to the chart of the asset you want to set an alert for. Then, click on the bell icon located above the top right corner of the chart. This will open up the alert setup window. In the alert setup window, you can customize your alert to your heart's content. You can choose to be alerted based on price movements, indicator values, drawing tool intersections, and more. You can also choose how you want to be alerted by email, SMS, push notification, or even a webhook if you're feeling fancy. Section 7. Finding your fleet. The TradingView community. One of the coolest things about TradingView is its vibrant and active community of traders from all over the world. Think of it like a giant online trading floor where you can connect with fellow traders, share ideas, learn from each other, and even compete in trading competitions. To access the TradingView community, simply click on the Ideas tab at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find a constant stream of trading ideas, analysis, and commentary from other traders. You can filter the ideas by asset class, trading style, time frame, and more to find ideas that are relevant to you. You can also join public chats and chat rooms to discuss market movements, trading strategies, and anything else related to trading. The TradingView community is a treasure trove of knowledge and insights, so don't be afraid to jump in and start interacting with other traders. Connecting your broker account. So, you've been practicing your charting skills, mastering indicators, and connecting with fellow traders on TradingView. Now you're ready to take the plunge and start trading for real. The good news is, you can do it all without ever leaving the TradingView platform. TradingView has a built-in trading panel that allows you to connect your brokerage account and execute trades directly from the platform. This means you can go from charting to trading with just a few clicks, streamlining your trading process and saving you valuable time. To connect your brokerage account, simply click on the Trading Panel tab at the bottom of the screen. You'll then see a list of supported brokers. Select your broker from the list and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your account. Once your account is connected, you'll be able to see your account balance, open positions, and order history right within the TradingView platform. Section 9. Chart your own course. Tips for success on TradingView. Congratulations, you're well on your way to mastering TradingView. Before you set sail on your trading journey, here are a few bonus tips to help you make the most of this powerful platform. Don't just jump into trading without a plan. Define your trading goals, risk tolerance, and preferred trading style. Don't overcomplicate your charts with too many indicators and drawing tools. Stick to the essentials that provide you with clear trading signals. The more you use TradingView, the more comfortable and proficient you'll become. Take advantage of the platform's free paper trading feature to practice your trading skills without risking real money. The markets are constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay up to date on the latest trends and trading strategies. Take advantage of TradingView's educational resources, webinars, and community forums to expand your trading knowledge. Section 10. Fair winds and following seas. Conclusion. TradingView is an incredibly powerful tool that can help traders of all levels improve their trading skills and make more informed trading decisions. With its intuitive interface, vast array of features, and vibrant community, TradingView has something to offer everyone, from novice traders to seasoned professionals. Remember, trading involves risks, and there are no guarantees of profits. However, by investing time in learning how to use TradingView effectively and developing a sound trading plan, you can increase your chances of success in the markets. Now go out there and chart your own course to trading success. Subscribe Forex Pro YouTube channel for trading journey. Join Telegram channel, and if you want to open trading account in trusted and regulated Forex broker, then link given in description. Happy trading!